Good day, everyone. So this is an introduction to the data collection process we spoke earlier about during our project 3 review meeting. And so the first thing we're actually going to do is to register on a web platform that will allow us to create our forms and send our data, as well as download this sent data for analysis. So you can just go to your search browser and just type kobocollect. It's actually a free platform with limitations now, unlike before, but it would make do with it. So you go to Kobo Toolbox. If you don't have an account, create an account. I advise you to use the European Union Kobo Toolbox server. I have like a bias to this. Go to create account. So create an account. You enter your full name as usual. Then you can enter some table name. That's your username. Enter your email address. Your country. You can enter a sector, most likely. So this is like a humanitarian platform, so NGO based, but I think they give space for the different platforms. So we can do others if you want. The organizational type would say it's let's see. I'll say I'm not associated with any organization. You agree to the terms. Enter a password that you will not forget. It's really important. I think most likely I might forget this. I'm going to click on create. I would save this, then go to my email address, my email I used to open it, and I will get like a confirmation mail. Then click on this particular link to activate. I have confirmed. I'll just enter my username and password. Hopefully I remember. Oh, that's interesting. So this is how you're actually going to log on to this particular platform. You can actually create forms here. You build a form from scratch, enter the title name, let's just say Azyten, and enter a description, enter a sector, others, enter country, Nigeria, and create a project. Now this is what you call a form builder. You can actually create different add a question. If it's not a question, you can actually create basically you would create a form using this. Although we are not going to be using the form builder, we are going to be using the XLS forms, and so we would upload Let me close this. I don't want to do anything with it. I'm actually going to, let me go to draft, and I'm going to delete this because I'm not going to use it for anything. However, I do have a form that I've already built. So part of the options is upload an XLS form. I do have one. Let me see if it's going to work. Okay, I think it should be somewhere. Oh, yeah, ODK forms. I have a lot of forms that I've built. I can enter a description, enter the same project details, create project, come to languages, the default is English, and you enter the language code EN added, and you can view these particular forms. So you select a zone, select a, a state, an LGA, then again, then you validate, enter your details, validate, and you are good. And so this is how the form will actually look like. But on your phone, on your mobile, the mobile app is a little bit different. It's not as it's not as eye catchy as this. And so this is how the form look like. And so what we're going to be doing is actually to build these forms from scratch. Would show us the ropes on how to build forms, how to deploy these forms, how to um, manipulate these forms, uh, as well as use it, whatever information we got for um, some form of analysis. Now, the beauty about the ODK kobocollect is that it's an offline online form. So you can actually use it offline and online. So you can use it when you don't have network, and when you have network, you just synchronize with cloud by sending your data. It was actually built to for people who are collecting, doing survey um, in remote areas. And I will tell you from my experience with this, it really helped us a lot. My experience with this, it's a very interesting tool. And basically, what we're just going to be doing is this here. This is just what we are going to be doing. Um, so we are going to go through this flow, this particular flow. So build the forms, upload it on the web by converting it to ODK forms. And we'll download the forms, use it to collect some data, send the data to the web platform, then download and connect it to maybe Power BI or Excel or maybe Python. And yeah, we're going to actually connect it to Python using API. It will be pretty interesting. It will be a very, very cool project. Um, Anyways, and that's it for now. Please try and watch this. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and send it to other people so that they can like and subscribe as well. Have a wonderful weekend.